In a magical forest where the trees whispered secrets to the wind, there lived a tiny dragon named Sparkle, who had scales that shimmered with all the colors of the rainbow. Sparkle was curious and playful, always fluttering around with a gleam in his eyes. One sunny afternoon, while chasing butterflies, he felt a tickle in his nose. With a great big achoo that echoed through the trees, something incredible happened. Tiny buds on the ground burst open into bright, colorful flowers, their petals stretching towards the sky. Sparkle blinked in surprise, his eyes wide with wonder at this unexpected power. Excited by his newfound ability, Sparkle flitted from meadow to meadow, sharing his sneezy magic, covering the forest floor in a brilliant carpet of blossoms. As the sun began to set, painting the sky with hues that matched Sparkle's own scales, he curled up beneath a blooming daisy, dreaming of the adventures that awaited him and his flow.